Welcome to episode number 65. Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta. I hope you all are doing great in your life and welcome back to the show. I'm your host Sangeeta and I am a NLP practitioner as well as I'm a mindfulness and motivation visit. Today in this episode we are gonna see about what is criticism and why it is important and how we can give to people in any of the field you are, whether you are in corporate, whether you are in a personal life, how you need to give criticism. That is also a skill. Let's learn about it. But if you are new to this podcast is all about how you can scale your life to the second level and to take one step towards your success. My mission is through this podcast is to create and believe people in themselves and to accept them the way they are. I've learned from my life that only one thing, do good and spread happiness across the world. So let's dive into today's episode and let's see what is it all about. Why you feel that the criticism is important? The key of a successful criticism is important because criticism will make you believe that there is always a chance of improvement. It will make you to get up and to do something exciting. It will make you to learn some new skills. It will always give you a chance, a second chance for improvement. Why giving criticism is most important when it is coming to your personal life also? Because we do not give criticism because we feel that the other person will feel bad about it. But there is a method, and today I'm gonna tell you about what are the different type of methods where we can use criticism in a proper way. I would point out 7 important, successful criticism, how it needs to be given. And that if you implement in your professional life, I'm damn sure that your colleague or your subordinate, anybody will love you the way you critique. And they will ask you for your criticism. Let's see what are those points. The first thing that whenever you give critique, it should be absolutely privacy. The doors must be closed. No raise of voice should be there and nobody should listen it. What is that important? Why is that important? Because nobody likes criticism to be said in public because they will feel bad. They will feel annoyed about you. They will feel not talking to you. So always give in criticism in privacy. Preface criticism with a kind word or compliment. Create a friendly atmosphere and soften the blow. That I can say in a very simple term is that kiss them before you kick them. Fine. So next is about whenever you need to give criticism, it shouldn't be personal. Next thing that I want to give, the third important point that I want to give is that criticism should not be targeting on personal things. That is, it should be an act, not that person. It is an act that should be criticized, not the person should be criticized. And people nowadays criticize a person rather than criticizing the act that he did. So that's very important. Next is supply the answer. The answer means it should be in a right way. When you tell somebody what he is doing wrong, you also should tell them what is right. So it is always good that if you say the solutions of it rather than saying what you did wrong completely. Ask for cooperation, don't demand it. We people demand that I need this before this thing happens. I need that, I need this. So you did bullshit, you did this. You do not say all this word. In fact, the word should be very proper. In fact, the person should believe that yes, I did something wrong and hence I should improve. And thank you so much for saying this. If you would have not said, I might have not improved on it. Right? So it should be always in cooperation and do not demand it. Once criticism to an offense. The most justified criticism is justified just once. So be in it. Finish the criticism on a very friendly note. So finish on a note that we are friends, we have resolved out this problem, let's work together and help each other. These are the words which needs to be used, not on a note that you have been told off. Now get this whole thing done. So no such high words. Use a soft word to people. They will really understand you, and that's how you need to give criticism. Today in the corporate world, we give criticism in a very wrong way. If you implement all the 7 points that I have explained to you right now, your life would be simpler and easy. Hope you all loved this episode. Please do share with your friends, with your family members. And if you are seeing it in YouTube, I request you to do subscribe and share what one point that you are gonna learn from this. I'm available in all the podcast channel like Apple, Castbox, Anchor. Just put right down Rise of Inspiration with Sangeeta. You will get the entire note of it. Hope I justified this topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.